Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Using CSS3, you can create an image sprite, which is simply a set of graphics that is read as a single image by the web browser. Since an image-heavy web page can sometimes take a long time to load, this shortens load times by reducing the number of server requests. This is useful when you have several images you want to display in different sections of your page. To make image sprites work, you need to know the sizes and positions of your combined images. For example, you have two 50 pixel by 50 pixel images set top to bottom, making one 50 pixel by 100 pixel image. You have to set your CSS language to separate the images and only display the one you want in the position you want it. You must specify the size of each image and then set the position to read it from. For example, with a 50 pixel by 100 pixel image set top to bottom, the second image would be read at 0 and minus 50 pixels, telling the browser to read horizontally starting at 0 and vertically at minus 50 pixels, or halfway down the full image. Today's example uses a 3-image sprite with 60 by 60 pixel images separated by 60 pixels of blank space. The first image class of instruct, we assign a width of 60 pixels, a height of 60 pixels, and the background URL, which is the location of the full sprite, set at 0 and 0. Our second image with a class of manual, again with a width of 60 pixels and a height of 60 pixels. The background URL set to the same image sprite, set to read 0 pixels and negative 120 pixels. Our third image with a class of notes, set to a width of 60, a height of 60, and the same background URL of the full sprite, set to read at 0 pixels and negative 240 pixels. So this corresponds to our HTML coding, which the first image source is the full sprite surrounded by a 1 pixel solid blue border. And our first image with a class of instruct, since all image tags have to have a source, and this we're just applying an artificial picture called trans.jpg. But in a real instance, you'd create a transparent picture and assign the file and path name here. So our browser will display our full image sprite with all 3 images and the blank space in between. And then due to our coding, we have the first image, the second image, and the third image broken up and displayed in the position we want them in.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.